developed the scrubbing sweeping version to halve the time needed for cleaning when various types of dirt have to be removed. When, in addition to scrubbing, sweeping is also necessary. Instead of using two machines, this version makes it possible, in a single pass, to collect small solid debris and at the same time to scrub and dry the floor. The sweeping side brushes extend the cleaning path and enable to reach the edges and space under shelves. They convey dirt to the center, towards the collection area, guaranteeing outstanding cleaning performance. They are protected by a safety system that retracts them in the event of a collision to prevent damage. Solid dirt is collected in a separate hopper that is easy to empty.